Here, we're talking about proteins. Proteins are not just floppy chains of amino acids. What they do is they fold up in very complex ways to make a distinct three-dimensional structure. But the idea of protein structure is sort of a hierarchy where each level specifies the structure of the next level. So let's take a look at this. First of all, we're going to have what is called primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and quaternary structure. Now, what do these mean? Primary structure is nothing more than the sequence of amino acids. In other words, what amino acids follow what? You start out with, say, glycine, next one is valine, third one is phenylalanine, and so on. Secondary structure is either spiral coil or back and forth switchback turns of the amino acid chain stabilized by hydrogen bonds. Tertiary structure. This is a three-dimensional folding of the amino acid chain in 3 dimensions of a single amino acid chain. And most of our small proteins are single amino acid chains. So we'll put 3D structure of a single amino acid chain. Keep recording. Okay. Finally, quaternary structure. Many functioning proteins are actually not just one single amino acid chain. There's more than one put together in a precise three-dimensional arrangement to work. For instance, hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying protein in your blood. That has 4 amino acid chains, 2 of what we call the alpha chain, 2 of what's called the beta chain. They have to be together in a precise three-dimensional arrangement for the hemoglobin molecule to pick up oxygen and, more importantly, to release it into the cells, into the bloodstream when you need it. So, quaternary structure is a 3D structure of a protein made of multiple amino acid chains. Okay, now over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw a representation, a crude representation. Was that still visible?
It was. It was. I moved it.
Oh, okay.
A little bit.
All right, because I want to put it in one place and just leave it there.
Okay.
Okay, what I want to do here, can we see both parts of the blackboard?
We can
Let's see
see.
if we can get an angle where we can get this here and some stuff I'm writing over here.
Okay, I've got it angled, and do you see where those clips are? Kind of
Yeah.
a little bit to the
Okay,
left.
that's got it.
Yeah, to right there.
Okay. All right. Now, for secondary structure, it can form 2 different conformations. One of them is a spiral coil called an alpha helix. The other is a series of back and forth switchback turns, kind of like driving up on a mountain road, a steep mountain road. If you go over the White Plains, what they call White Scap Road, that's a nice hairy drive. And you get these series of switchback turns, which in 3 dimensions is kind of flat, goes back and forth, and we call this the beta sheet. Okay, test over.
Okay. Now.